Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus, your all-in-one visualization suite for Power BI. With over 100 charts, KPI cards, tables, and Gantt views, it supports migrating from legacy BI tools to Power BI. In this video, we'll walk you through how to style your small multiples charts to make your dashboards more visually appealing and insightful. To get started, expand the toolbar and click on the Trellis icon. Then, navigate to the Style tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize the look and feel of your Trellis chart. First up is the panel title section. You can choose to display no titles at all to keep the panel clean and minimal. Only the category name for a simple and focused view. Category with total value to give a quick summary of the data. Category with average value for performance comparisons. Or category with the last value to highlight the most recent data point. This is perfect for time-based insights. You can also adjust the title position, font style, size, and color of the category and value to match your design preferences. Next, let's move on to the panel background settings. You can set the panel background to alternate rows to apply background color to every other row of panels to visually separate horizontal groupings. Alternate columns to apply background color similar to rows, but applied vertically, making it easier to distinguish between column-based categories. Or apply a background to all panels to give your chart a consistent and cohesive look. You can also pick a custom panel color to enhance the visual clarity. Now, let's move on to styling the panel borders, which help define the structure and separation of each panel in your Trellis chart. Here, you can choose to show border shadows to add depth and visual hierarchy to your panels. Set the shadow styles to match your dashboard's overall theme. Choose to hide or show borders around each panel to create a clean and seamless look. Customize the panel border style by setting the thickness and position for a more defined and structured look. Customize panel border radius to round the corners of your panels. This gives your layout a softer, more modern appearance. Customize the grid border. Select the panel border style or apply specific colors to match your report's design. Finally, fine-tune the panel spacing to control the padding between each chart, ensuring your layout feels balanced and uncluttered. A quick tip: some styling features are only available in matrix mode. To enable it, head over to the Pivot Data section and click on the matrix icon to unlock those additional options such as row group label that contains rotation and header alignment. That's it. You now know how to fully style your Trellis charts in Inforiver Analytics Plus. With just a few clicks, you can transform your visuals into clean, professional, and insightful dashboards. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft AppSource to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.